Welcome back to the Microbit education. Now we are going to write a program to allow the Microbit board to be the master of the radio control. In this session, we're going to use two Microbit boards. They are interconnected by Bluetooth or radio wave, and the master board can control another board to play some music. If you cannot remember that, you can go back to the Microbit receiver English to review what we have done in the receiver. Now, whenever we start the radio wave control, like what happened before, we have to set up a channel. As mentioned before, the channel we have set up last time, that is 42. We set up it. And then what we're going to is that we're going to place some inputs here. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And when we press A, we will do something. When we press B, we will do something else. When we press A and B together, we'll do another thing else. So what we're going to do, when we press A, we will send a number to another board. Maybe 0. It depends on what you have written in the receiver. When we press B, we will send another number to the receiver. When we press C, we will send another number in the receiver. So what happened here? Let's see. When you press A, you will send a number into another board. Okay, let me show you what happened in another place. When you receive a number, show number, receive the number. Let me show you what happened. On the other side of the motherboard, when I press A, the other board will be so 0. That what happened in the other board. Okay, when I press B, the other board will be the other Microbit board will show number 1, and so on in the variable receiver number. And the further explanation for what happened in the receiver will be shown in the next movie. Thank you very much.